Hello mga ka-kitchen! Welcome back to Kitchen Time with Anna. Today may nakita akong fresh lychee sa palengke and medyo maulan-ulan pa ngayon kaya I thought of recreating this Chinese chicken soup recipe with fresh lychee. Tara, let's start! So first, pakukuluan muna natin yung ating chicken with some ginger. Unang kulo lang, tapos itapon na rin natin yung tubig at hugasan yung chicken para mas maging malinis yung ating broth. Once na mapalitan nyo na yung water, mag-add ng 4 slices of ginger, 5 pieces of red dates, 1/4 kilo of lychee, both the red dates and the lychee, yung seeds nito na remove na natin. Then cover it, hintayin maging tender na yung chicken, and about 1 to 2 minutes before the end of the cooking process, i-add nyo na yung inyong goji berries, season it with some salt, tikman na rin if you need to adjust, and that's it. Ready nyo nang i-enjoy itong sweet and florally chicken soup.